Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Prince of PJVC back here again for another unboxing and comparison video. So for today, ang i-unbox natin is ang Akko Jelly Black switches, which is a linear type of switch. And i-compare natin siya dito sa aking Akko 3068B version 2 na keyboard, which is yung in-unbox natin last time. This is a purple jelly switches from Akko din. So itong dalawang switches na to is factory lube na. Dahil itong kinuha kong black switches ng Akko, which is yung jelly black switches, is lube na din. And also nung pagkuha ko ng keyboard na to is lube na din yung purple jelly switches. Timing na timing para ma-compare natin silang dalawa and malaman nyo kung ano yung bagay na switch sa inyo. Hopefully makatulong to sa mga nahihirapan pumili kung tactile ba or linear switches ba ang mas prefer nyo. So dati nung nagsa-start pa lang ako sa keyboard, wala pang mga ino-offer ang mga brand ng mga lube switches. So this time, thank you sa Akko, nag-provide sila ng mga switches na lube na. Pero may option din kayo guys kung gusto nyo ng unlube version of this. Kung gusto nyo mag-lube in your way. Okay? So in my case kasi gusto ko masubukan yung lube version nila para ma-compare ko exactly dito sa lube version din nila ng tactile switch. So without further ado guys, let's proceed to the comparison and unboxing of these Akko Jelly Black switches. Welcome to PJVC. In this channel, we do keyboard modification and other tech unboxing video. First, let's start with the unboxing of Akko Jelly Black switches. This switch is a linear type of switch and the ones that I have right now is the lube version of it so that I can compare to the switch of my Akko 3068B board that we had unboxed last time, since it is also lubed by Akko. Some fun fact that I've seen from their website is that Akko Jelly Black switch has an actuation force of 50 grams, which makes it the heaviest Akko CS switches. Also, Akko CS switches are equipped with LED slot ready for LED mode or assembly and are SMD compatible, which means LED underneath the switch. And regarding the durability, it is approximate lifespan of 60 million times of keystroke based on laboratory durability test. Here is some quick sound comparison of the switch using the microphone of my camera. The compatibility of Akko CS switches comes with MX style structure, so they would fit most keycap sets with X cross stem. For sure, some of you will ask, are Akko Jelly Black switches good? In my experience, the Akko Jelly Black switches are wonderfully smooth and pronounced linear switch. They are low but not too low, with a perfect amount of resistance for gaming or typing alike. You don't really need to lube and film them, but of course we prefer lube ones, right? And it only costs around 40 cents per switch. Are they cheap? For me, yes, they are great value switches. And take note guys, the stabilizers of this board is already lubed by Akko, which means these stabilizers are factory lube straight out of the box. For the keycaps, we are going to use the Prunus Lanisiana, an ASA low-profile PBT double-shot keycaps of Akko. Since we are done with the unboxing and showing the step-by-step process, here's the most awaited part, the typing sound test, and of course, the side-by-side comparison of Jelly Black switches and Purple Jelly switches of Akko. So I hope guys nakatulong ang video na to para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind kung ang kukunin nyo ba is ang linear or tactile. So I hope guys nagustuhan nyo yung video na ginawa natin and ang comparison natin na side by side ng black jelly switches and ng purple jelly switches na Akko. So sana nakatulong to sa mga naguguluhan kung magli-linear ba sila or tactile. And pasensya na rin sa medyo naririnig yung table every time nagpe-press tayo kasi yung microphone natin is nasa ibabaw ng table. Yung boom arm natin is on the way pa para mas mabigyan ko kayo ng better sound quality next time sa mga darating natin na video. So once again guys, it's your boy Prince of PJVC. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button below para lagi kayong updated sa mga future uploads natin. Next time, we will be doing another unboxing or comparison video and also a modification video. Once again, it's your boy Prince of PJVC. Peace out!